Balu, let's go.
Yeah, sure.
See how punctual she is. Arrived sharply at 8:30 a.m.
Huh?
See my little girl? He is very childish fellow. You only have to take care of him.
I will take care, uncle.
What your dad?
Come soon. What, Balu? Why are you looking at my bag?
Hey, nothing, yeah.
No, something is there. Please tell me.
Some chicken smells came inside of your bag. That's why I'm looking your bag.
Balu, your nose is really big. What, you want to see it?
I would like to see.
Today my grandparents had come home. Because for them they had fried a good chicken. Always they cook non-veg at home. It is really boring, you know. Okay, can you show me your box?
I want that.
So what? If you don't show me, I will not talk to you.
Hey, don't get angry. It's a common. I bought dosa and vadagari from Keshavan shop.
Oh, Keshavan shop. I love when you are telling it. Show me. Don't keep gazing, Balu. Time up. Come soon. Let's go.
Fill up every column and give it to me.
Okay, sir.
Don't be late. Come earlier.
Okay.
Do you know what is the time now?
Didn't get the bus, sir. Good morning, sir.
Daddy. Dad, this is for you.
Hey, Bobby.
I'll go to the class, sir.
All right, keep this in the office.
Okay, sir. Who did ask here? His son can come late. Then he angry with us.
All worthless.
Welcome, teacher. Or you came here. Teacher, why you are buy this much seat?
Today my son's birthday. How much?
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Morning, madam. You didn't went to school today?
Today I take half a day leave.
Okay.
Today my son's Ashwin's birthday. Did Balu win school?
Yeah, he went, ma'am. How is he studying, ma'am?
He's very good child. He's not that much bad in studies actually. He's giving priority in sports actually. His big dream is to become a good runner.
Why he is having such an ambition while studying? Let him come home today.
Hey, nothing like that. He's very smart. He is not bad in studies. Every person will have talent. Let him to grow how he want to be in the future. Shall I leave?
Okay, ma'am.
Hey Karthik. Yeah? There are a lot of chickens going missing near our home. I know who is the culprit. And within no time he will get caught red-handed. You know what? The leg piece of the chicken is right here.
Where?
Hey Mano, that's the chicken's leg, right?
What did you say? Huh?
Hey, what up, man? What? What are you gonna do? I am the son of the school's headmaster. You know that, right? What I said is true. Then how come you bought chicken today?
You don't want that.
You shut up. His dad has other name. You know what it is? Vasu. Culprit Vasu.
Hey, what did you say about my dad?
Leave me, man.
What did
Stop
you say?
it.
Pick you.
Come here. How dare you beat my son?
Sir, please, sir.
Will you do it again?
Sir, please, sir, please.
Beat you like that?
Sir,
Idiot.
please, sir.
How dare you do it? Never ever think of beating us. Huh? Hey, watch out, right? Huh? You're a useless donkey. Come with me. I'll deal you separately.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Sit down. What happened? All are looking so dull. I guess that I didn't get a good afternoon from you all. What happened, Manu?
Nothing, teacher.
What happened, Bobby?
I don't know.
Where is Balu? What happened, Saira?
Teacher.
Tell me what? What, Saira? What happened? Tell me. Balu? What is this, sir?
You don't know what he did.
Whatever he done, he is not a culprit. He is a child who's studying here.
Is he a child? If I have not intervened, you would have killed my son.
I know about Balu very well. And I know about your son also. You know what your son did it today?
I know. What wrong did he ask? To eat chicken, is this guy really rich?
Why you are so rude to all these children? I don't know why you are behaving like this. If children makes mistake, father has to correct. Not even that, you are the headmaster of the school. You are saying your son is right. Very sad. You are the reason for the Bobby's behavior. If you send your son out from the school, he won't get admission in any school. Sir, please keep in your mind. And then, you want to know how he is eating chicken daily, right? 1 minute. See this. See the name from the box. Yes, R. Saira. If you still didn't believe my words, you can ask her. He is having a humble heart. But sir, why you didn't have that?
Why you are sitting like this? Huh? Actually, I am unable to get chicken biryani today. I bought some barota and chicken for you.
No, Dad, I'm not hungry.
Why are you saying that? Shut up and eat this, okay?
Leave me alone. I'm not feel hungry now.
What happened to my kid today? Actually, you're looking so sad and upset.
Dad, not like that, Dad.
What? Hey, what happened? That's why you're so upset today. Did someone beat you?
No, Dad. Who beat me, Dad? Fell down while running, Dad.
Alright. Always you are telling some useless reasons to me. This is how the way of running? I will apply oil to you so that you will get some relief. Okay, no, nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. Be relaxed. Fell down so badly. See the swelling in the leg? At least stop everything from today.
Dad, it's hurting, Dad.
Huh. I met your Lakshmi teacher today morning. She said you are not studying that much. She said always you are into athletics. Also, she asked me to give some advice to
Dad, don't lying to me, Dad. I know I am son of Deepa,
you.
Dad.
Hey, you two started criticizing me?
What, Dad? I'm not playing with you, Dad. Sorry. I'm just talking in my pain, Dad.
Balu, I'm sorry. Unconsciously he did that.
No problem. I'm not mind anything.
Now only I'm very happy. I'm already told you know he will understand us.
Hey, he can't. He is a son of headmaster. And also he won't mind your words.
Why I did mind him?
I understand. You don't have any anger with her, right?
Why? I'm not get angry on you guys.
I told you, he's very good guy.
Come, boys. Come. My dear students, tomorrow's race is very important to us, huh? And mind it, you want to save the name of our school. There are a lot of students are studying in our school, but you people are selected, so you want to be proud about that. I want to win this race. These words must want to be in your mind.
Ready,
okay?
warm up.
Ready? Hey, what are you doing? You are not fit for this race, and I am going to disqualify you.
Sir, I just take some...
What do you think? Is it a child's race? Tomorrow you want to face the tournament, huh?
Hey, look how he's caught now.
When it's come to this choice, the big school is still number one.
This time also government school members never get any point off.
Next event is going to take place. That's sub-juniors 200 meters race. Who given the name for this race? Please come to the track immediately. Bobby, come on, get ready.
Sir.
We all trust you to win, okay? Go fast.
106,
Right, sir.
105, 104, 103, 102, and 101. Bobby lost it.
Sir, this guy is last year's champion.
So the
His name is
winner
Ranjit.
was 103 and second one was 102.
Hello.
Hello, HM sir. Bobby has lost our race. And also we are in the last place of points board. The next event is going to take place that sub-juniors 100 meters running race.
Balu, come here.
The participants,
Balu,
please come to
now
the
everything
track.
is in your hands only.
Get
Huh?
ready for the
I know,
race.
sir.
Just don't
We are
worry.
calling all the students. The numbers are 101, 102, 104, 108, 110. Get ready for the race. We are proudly calling this year champion Balu to the stage.
Balu's victory is all our victory. Like Balu, you all should find your talent and you have to prove that. And you all will get victory like this. You have to get more prizes like this. From all your victories, the school will get more good names, okay? Bobby? What happened? What happened? Tell me. Don't get that you got a failure. Don't leave your confidence. Okay?
Wow, this cup is looking beautiful. Definitely this can hold 4-5 cups of tea.
Yeah.
Oh.
Give to me, grandmother.
Balu? Alright, first you turn this side. Every boy is jealous of you. It's not good for your health.
Thinking too much of himself.
Spit 3 times. Okay. See, the fire is increased.
Oh, he is talking as though he is the only one to have a son.
Huh?
I also have 5-6 sons.
You used to say this about past 10 years. Hey, old lady, first move from here. Don't talk too much.
You or your son? What for me? I am leaving. Even my dog won't
Dad,
come here.
don't scold grandmother.
I
She
will
was
come
good.
tomorrow also.
I was just joking with her. My sweet boy, we have to get lot of prizes like this. Our house should be filled with lot of cups. By seeing that, I will be proud of my child and I will be hugging you like this and give a sweet kiss.
Headmaster son lose it. Thief son got a medal. Even you never play well in finals. How again I can say that you are my friend? It's very insulting.
Manu is correct. We are proud to say that the headmaster's son is our friend, okay? But now, shit, now it's same to me.
I don't need any of your help, you understand?
Hey Bobby, we never like to give you pain for you. Till end of life, we are with you. But that Balu,
Bobby knows what to do now.
You had one happened because I had prayed in the mosque, na?
Yeah, you were correct. I succeeded because you and my dad prayed to me. Without you and my dad, I'm not done this.
Whatever happens, I was very happy when he lost. I hate to look at him. He acts as a headmaster.
Hey, do you know to smoke or what? It's time you swing to others, man.
Bobby, he's come with her.
Hey, come, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on,
boys.
guys.
Did you see anything? If you ever say anything to anyone, you know about me, right? Get lost.
Come, Balu, we'll go.
Hey, Bobby, this will gossip in our school. I'm very scared, man. Come, let's go.
You guys go. Go, man. Teacher?
Why are you so late today? I'm asking to you only.
While on my way, my cycle got punctured.
What, Bobby? Did you smoke?
Hey, no, teacher.
I say, did you smoke?
No, teacher.
What is in your pocket?
Nothing.
Don't lie and say. Take that out.
Nothing, teacher.
I say, take it out. Cigarette? Huh? What is this? Come with me.
Teacher, please, teacher.
I say, come with me. I don't want any excuse.
Teacher, no, teacher.
I want to show this to your father.
No, teacher.
Leave now. I
Teacher,
said
please,
leave
teacher.
now.
No, teacher, please.
Go. See this nonsense. Your son's very good habit. He didn't even think about that he is studying in own father's school. See how good he is. No one can ask him. You have to ask him.
Light it. Light it. I said light it.
Sir!
Light it.
Sir, please!
You
Sir,
idiot.
please listen! Listen to me, sir, please! I didn't mean you to do like this. Why are you beating like this? I just want you to know that...
Enough is enough. Now I understood well.
All teachers should be a good example for all the students. I don't want to explain all this to you, sir. Please teach him a good habits and make him a man. Come.
It's all happened because of that Balu.
Yeah. They don't want to leave him.
I know. I know what to do.
Hey, come soon.
Shit. He was disgusting my shirt.
Oh my God, Balu.
Shit. Just take my bag, yeah. Shit.
Let's go.
I know you would have studied this lesson before. You know what's the time? Huh? Did you take bath in the marsh? Huh? You bloody say something.
On the way, a vehicle poured a mud, sir.
You get in, girl. You stay outside. Now we are going to learn a very important lesson. You must
What,
all
Balu?
listen very carefully.
On the way, a
You
vehicle
see,
poured mud,
in
ma'am.
this lesson, okay, I'll ask you questions.
Why
Now,
are you standing
get up,
outside?
Get up.
Come
straight.
inside.
I'll ask a question. You have
Excuse
to
me,
answer.
sir.
What is that, teacher?
Sir, what mistake this boy made now? Why he is standing outside?
He has done nothing wrong. But how can I allow him with this dirty dress inside the class? You tell me. Hmm?
If suppose this happens to your son means, will you do the same, sir? Come, Balu. Come here.
What's the matter, Balu? Why are you looking me? Come.
Listen here. The next lesson is about the mother. We are going to talk about the mother. The importance of mother in our life, how she helps us throughout our life, and what sort of a strong pillar she is to us. From the time she gives us birth, she takes care of us like nobody else can. I'm sure all of you like your mother, isn't it?
Balu, within 10 minutes your shirt will be ready, okay? Okay, my dear, I have to go now. You don't worry about anything. You stay here. After shirt gets dry, you come to the class, okay?
Dad,
What?
I have a question for you.
Tell me.
Come here, Dad.
You come here. Can't you see I am washing bicycle here?
Dad, that was old. Please change. Dad. That would be nice to see my mom.
Now why are you asking this to me?
Please, Dad. Please say. Dad, if only mom was alive, I would still have a lot of affection.
Did you feel lack of mother's affection till now? Then why are you asking this to me?
My teacher was like me a lot, Dad. I feel better when I was see her, Dad. Like my mother, Dad. Teacher, mother.
Balu, they are all big peoples. We are very poor people. Don't think unnecessary things. Teacher showing affection to you because you are a very good boy. Okay? You have to study well and join in a good job. Then the teacher will be very proud of you.
My teacher like my mother. My teacher like my mother.
What I say?
Huh? Nothing. My teacher like my mother. My teacher like my mother.
If I got a 2 days leave, I'm so happy, man.
What happened?
He said he's going to bring somebody. Where did he go?
That how could I know? Huh?
What happened?
Oh, the key is missing. That is why I asked him to bring a locksmith along.
I think we can open it after he comes.
Yes.
Hey, what is this, Balu? Why you didn't bring your lunch today? What a child you are. What happened? Everybody is crowded here.
School keys is missing, Dad. It was inside of office room, Dad. So break office doors locker, Dad.
Oh, is it? Everybody standing here because you are unable to unlock the door, right? For that, no need to unlock the lock.
We are waiting to open this lock.
Yeah, I can try once, but I need your permission.
Okay, look at it.
Yeah, please look at it.
Okay. Excuse me. I will give you right back.
What is going to do with that slide? Huh? Wow, he opened it, huh? Shit, we lost our leave because of his dad.
Take it, sir. Oh, sorry, take it.
You're beautiful, yeah? You're very beautiful, huh?
This is
so
very
cute.
simple. Okay.
Sir, yeah, I opened it. Please, go, sir.
Balu, shall I move?
Only a thief knows how to pick up a lock, right? We know his dad is a thief, so he can even open the parliament's lock. And we are not sure how many locks he's going to open.
Why you came to here, Dad?
What, Balu? Don't get fed up for all these things. Got it?
Balu, my dear son.
Dad.
Don't bother about me. I am perfectly alright.
I just care on looking you, Dad.
Don't get worried about thinking myself.
Just go. Don't ask with me.
Don't worry about me. Don't
Why
worry.
you drunk, Dad?
Please don't.
I hate you,
touch
Dad.
me. Leave me. I don't have any problem. Leave me. I am very much worried. I cannot bear this situation. That's why I drank. You know, your mother made me a thief. She is very greedy on money and wealth. I am unable to afford anything that she needed. That's why she left both of us and galloped with someone. At this time also, I didn't worry this much, my dear. But now everyone is blaming you that you are a son of a thief. But now you were insulted. That too because of me. I couldn't bear that. But now whatever I do, I couldn't change the label which they gave. Vasu the thief.
Daddy, don't cry, Daddy. Please don't cry. I don't care about anybody. You don't worry, Dad. 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 Don't cry, please, Dad. Without you, I'm alone, Dad.
Now I promise you, my dear, I won't drink hereafter.
Lachu? Lachu,
Yes, dear.
I'm leaving.
Oh my god, you have to finish your breakfast now.
Oh, sorry, Lachu. It's already late. I have OP today.
No, I don't want any excuse. You sit and eat the breakfast.
Okay, yes.
You're always caring about your patients only. But nowadays you're not taking care of your health. But I have to worry about you.
You are there to take care of me, right?
Of course I have to take care of you. Yes, what do you want?
Jaishankar sir available?
Yeah, he is.
He got us some courier, ma'am.
Dear, you got a courier.
Ah, yes, coming. Courier?
Yes, sir.
Where did it come from?
Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Oh, this is from him, my friend. From China. Dr. James Peter. See, did you see the grace at the face? Xianzhou. He's a Chinese doctor. James used to tell, remember? His role model.
Oh.
He's also a spiritual master.
For me, he seems like a saint.
Guys, do it fast. Hey, quick, man. Spread them.
Okay, boys, come on. By next month 7th, we are going to have our race. You people are selected from our school. So you people want to win this race. Before very big schools. We want to win and we want to get the name in papers. So get ready. What happened to you?
What happened?
Why are you crying? Oh my god. Oh shit. All the things. Oh god. Handle it. Come on. Hurry up. You want to get him to the hospital.
Hello? Tell me, Stephen, sir. What? For Balu? Take him to the hospital. He will come right now. Okay.
What happened, Lachu?
I got a call from a PT master.
What happened? Any problem? What do you feel?
This morning in our school, Balu was practicing and he got injured, he got fracture. I told them to take to our hospital.
Oh, you keep on telling about him. That Balu?
Same guy. He got the first prize in 100-meter race in our school. His dream is to become a big runner actually. But pity boy.
అయ్యో
Slowly. Nothing will happen. Lift it. Be careful to the hospital. Slowly. Don't cry. Yeah. Rush. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Don't worry. Please, doctor. Come on. Go fast, I say.
Morning, doctor. Morning. He's there in casualty.
Come, let's see. Open your mouth. Balu, there is nothing to worry, okay? Lakshmi always used to tell about you. Lift your hand. It's paining here, right? Just a minute. Sister Aiden? Hey. Nothing. That's over. Give me the cotton. That's it. Okay. It's over. Just relax. Okay, Balu. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Almost done. Cotton? Okay. It's done. Turn your hand. Slowly. Turn your hand. Yeah. It's nothing. It's done. Cotton? Okay, my son. Okay, relax.
Yes, you are right.
Where is Balu?
Huh. He will alright, Vasu. There is a minor fracture, that's it.
I want to see him right now.
Don't worry, Vasu. He just slipped down. That's it.
Don't get confused, sir.
Balu.
Daddy. Dad. Thank you very much, Dad.
What happened to you, my dear?
Not worry, Dad.
Enjoy them, guys. This is the treat for making that Balu suffer.
He was not come to us. He is scary very much.
Hereafter he won't run anyway. The idea was very super.
Hey, I'm got it. I'm done.
He failed before he trained it for it. Give him medal for him.
Hey, shut up and go, man.
Are you irritating me?
Bobby, come and eat it, huh?
Nobody. Let money also come.
Hey, Bobby,
What
there
happened?
is a big problem. All our teachers are taken to the Mahalakshmi hospital.
So what, man? Wherever he goes, he's going to come back only after a month because his body is decorated with pieces of glasses.
You are right. The people doesn't know that's done by us. Immediately we have to remove the glass pieces from the ground.
Okay.
Enough, Dad.
It is very little only. Please
Balu?
have it.
My stomach was full. That's Ira.
Balu, last 2 days she's pushed me a lot that I have to meet you here. Now only she's quiet because of I'm take her to here.
Nothing like that, Daddy. Daddy's selling simply. Daddy's shop is just close by. So he told he will be taking us.
Really, you did a great job. From yesterday, he was repeatedly telling me that he was get bored.
Now you are happy,
Okay,
no?
I am moving.
Got hurt very badly. Balu, is it paining?
When I was came to here, it's very hurting. Now it's fine.
Balu, come, we'll go for a walk. Careful, slowly.
Ah? Balu, are you okay now? I just want to see you, that's why I came here. Oh, you two came here to see him?
Just now.
Saira, teachers are stone here.
Oh, is it? Teacher, will you take us to your home, please?
Yeah, sure. I'll take you for sure.
Okay, teacher. Is this hospital yours?
Yes, this is our hospital. What happened?
Nothing. Saw the hospital's name and asked you.
Oh, I see.
Teacher, now not pain too much. I'm also come.
Check this. After seeing your friend, you become so energetic now. Huh? Shall we go home? Okay, let's go. Come inside. Come.
Hi. Teacher, he was your son?
Yes,
What's his name?
Ashwin.
Name was so good, teacher.
Is it?
Huh.
He's very naughty guy. He's in tuition now. He will come back at 4. 5 o'clock he will go for music class. After he leave this house, I will really miss him. Okay, we will go upstairs. Come, come. Be careful.
Oh my god, so many books.
You're asking this? These are the books which I read. Okay, you both check out with this. I'll be back now. Okay?
Huh. Balu, look here.
Come.
Huh.
Hey, computer.
Okay. This is Ashwin's old computer. After buying new one, he didn't use this.
Just I clean it, teacher.
My dear son, do you want this? Really want this? Hmm?
I had kept it here. Where did it
Where
go?
is it? No, it is not here, sir. Did you forgot it in classroom, sir? Let me make a call, sir. Switch off, sir. I think it is in somebody's hand.
What the hell is this? I don't understand. Who would have taken it from my table?
Sir, it's going to be 4. I want to ring the bell. What to do?
There is a way out. Okay. You go ring the bell.
Oh,
Go.
okay, sir. Bell. Hey, come, I say. No, go. Show me your bag. No,
go,
go. Stand there. Hey. Oh, go. Hey, come here. No. Go. Hey, come here. Hey, I want to check your bag. Come on.
What's
Show it to
going
me.
on, teacher?
HM's phone is missing. That's why they're
Where
checking.
is it? Come on. No, sir. Come on. Next. Hey, stand there. Go. Come on.
What is
Oh.
it, crazy thing?
He
I
is forgotten
think
he
it
is
is
home.
inside.
Then how he get here?
Oh, it's not there. Come here. Go. Come. Oh. Oh. No. Go. Come on. Stand there. No, sir. Come here.
This guy is taken phone. It's impossible. I cannot believe this.
Sir, there is something wrong in this. A Balu won't do like this, sir.
Something went wrong. Don't tell me all this. Come here. You damn fool! How dare you do this? Huh? You're just like your father. Huh? Bloody thief. At this age, you're robbing things. Huh? You come to school not to study but to rob. Huh? You're stealing things. You bloody fool. You bloody... I'm not going to leave you today.
Sir.
Useless donkey. You buffalo. I have to bleed next. Even then you will not understand. Bloody fool.
Sir.
Hey.
Sir, listen to me, sir.
I said stop beating him. How that mobile came into his bag, he will tell. Open the mouth and tell.
I will tell.
That.
You no need to tell. I will tell. How this mobile came.
How long I'm searching you? Wherever I'm searching now.
You put this phone in Balu's bag.
It was your dad phone, right?
Yeah, you are right. This is the best way to send him out of the school.
Super. It's a fantastic idea.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. What happened, Saira? Seems like you're mood off.
Teacher, he's not coming when I'm calling.
Where is Balu now?
Look there, teacher. He's sitting. Can I go, teacher?
Why are you sitting here? You didn't even come to class?
You go, teacher. I'm not back into school.
Don't talk rubbish. Come to the class.
I will stop my study, teacher.
Oh, you're going to quit. Then what are you going to do?
I don't know. Everybody's scolding me, teacher. Like the first one. I like to come to that teacher.
Go to hell. Do whatever you want. Today all are calling you as a thief, son. Tomorrow the whole will call you as a thief. After hearing all this rubbish, you will really feel as a thief. Today you and your father, and then your generation will continue. Then it will keep on continuing as a thief family. But it is only possible when you think as it is. Today people are blaming you and your father that you have to change everything. It's all in your hand. For that, you have to take a decision right now. Don't give up your life for others. It's your life. You have to prove it. You have to struggle yourself and you have to win here. The people who are all blaming you, you have to prove. They should proud about Balu. When it happens, I have to feel happy that you are my Balu.
I was studying, teacher. I was studying, teacher. I want to study, teacher. I don't care about anybody, teacher. I want to study, teacher.
Good boy.
I want to study, teacher.
That's my boy. You're a good boy. Good.
I was studying.
That's my good boy. Good boy.
My dear friends, the respect of this school and also the growth of this school because of our respectable HM sir is the reason for this. Also now I am going to announce a news for you. Our school's PT fund was in a very dangerous situation. So for that our teachers and students must want to be contribute for this. So we want to collect some funds.
I never give you even 1 rupee also. Like teachers also never give you. If you plan to get a fund from the student and the public, it will never happen. Huh?
Sir, your basic community is what is in this school, sir? Huh?
We wanted to know the PT board what did here.
Unnecessarily, please don't talk anything.
I will answer what Stephen sir asked. We have prepared a memo about our school situation and have given it to the officer. Now he will take action. Our Panchayat Taravar Saravanan is also close to our chief minister. So after this, our school is going to entirely reform.
It won't change, sir. Be realistic.
Can you show the cost of the account for the past year?
Sit down silently, teacher. The accounts will be audited by the right persons, okay?
What teacher, you didn't gone for the meeting, huh?
No, I didn't wish to go. Only important people will attend there. What is the important thing over there? When they start saying credit and debit, the problem will start. Whatever happens, it's not going to change the school.
Yeah, you are right, teacher. The same thing was happened there.
How is now? Let me finish my work.
Okay, ma'am. My dear students, there is no use of your work. Why I am saying like this? You people want to know the school will be damaged. You people just don't know because it is a formal meeting.
There is no fund to whitewash the school also.
Does it cost a lot, sir?
Ha, not that much.
What, sir?
Yeah, he is correct.
Sir, it's possible by our students, sir.
If you're going to do this for your benefit, the first fund is mine. Take it.
I will also give. Just please take it.
What, Rajshekar? Everything looks very
Yes,
good.
sir.
How
Please
is
take
it,
it.
sir?
Give me more.
I
it all
want you
this,
another
sir?
pen, please.
Thank you.
All the students are having dedication. If you have means I will feel happy.
Without fighting with me, you cannot even live for a day. I know. Go.
Can I go, teacher? The teacher was very good teacher.
What are you looking at?
There's going on MP's car.
So what's your problem?
Yep, nothing.
Stop. Meet you in the evening. Oh, headmaster. Oh, we should not shout in the school premises. HM sir, there is a big problem here. That is, important 12 wine shop of our city, important 12 schools of our city is going to be closed, it seems.
If there's a school nearby a wine shop, then it must be closed, correct?
We are not bothered. There was a news in TV. They are going to close the schools which doesn't have primary necessities and shortage of students. Member Sharavanan told that our school is also in that list.
Why are you speaking unnecessarily? Your friend Saravanan always lies about everything. Till date, has he said anything true?
My dear headmaster, this is not like that. Somebody has visited our school premises without our knowledge and they returned by notifying something.
Personally, we got this information. How is it now? Keep ready all. Before shutdown of the school, better school I have to search and move it to there.
Stephen, sir, please don't say like that, sir.
What are you all doing here? Go to your classes.
Sir, is our school is shut down?
We will not allow you to close the school.
Who want your permission to shut down this?
Sir, they had closed not even our basic facility school, sir. But we got lot of facilities, sir.
Hey, water, go there. Go. Hey, I said to go. Go. Stupid, go.
Hey Balu, what happened to you? Why are you sitting here? You told that you was hungry. Then why are you not eating it?
I'm going there.
Don't tell anything. I will feed you, you just eat it.
Police.
Why are they coming here?
Hey, you are the boss, no?
Yes sir. What sir? What is the problem?
You are asking what? Come. How dare you are attempted in the MP house?
Sir, leave me, sir. At least tell me what mistake I did.
I know how to get an answer from you.
Please leave me,
Come
sir.
and tell me.
Sir.
Tell me. Tell me.
Stop it!
Yes, madam.
What, man? Huh? Don't you have common sense? How can somebody like him plan to come and steal in my house? Huh?
That is ma'am.
Commissioner had called me. They've caught the actual person, it seems. Someone who does high-tech robbery. What's his name? Usman or someone. Send him out.
Madam, he have a relationship with Usman.
This guy. Connected in what way?
Without connection, how it is? Why is son following you, ma'am?
His son, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Past 3 days, his son following you. We have evidence for that.
Following me?
He is following you, madam.
Madam, madam, excuse me, madam, madam, 1 minute, madam, madam.
This boy, is it? Why did you follow me?
Ma'am, we want bus for our school, ma'am.
Bus for the school? How did you know that you have to ask me?
Nobody told, ma'am.
Then?
I'll see a board in front of girls' school, ma'am. That's why.
Which school are you studying, my dear?
Here nearby government school, ma'am. There is no facility, ma'am. The government officers going to close our school, ma'am. We lost our education, ma'am. That's why I'm doing, ma'am.
Oh, that's right. Mr. Suresh, release him at once.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Past 2 days I'm never visit you. Where you went?
Actually, I'm out of town. So how was the work going?
Please take a visit in the room, ma'am. You come to know that.
Teacher, sit.
Computer lab? What happened to our school?
The computer lab is just for development of our school. That's it.
Teacher, the computer will give our Balu. You give that computer really super.
Even I saw that. Even we can study computer.
Hey fool, why are you give the computer? It's me, not to give the computer.
Look, their teacher is coming.
Balu, give your hand. You're really very intelligent boy. You're very great and you've done a great job. Congratulations.
Where have you been for 2 days, ma'am?
I'll tell you later. Today you're going to come with me only.
Teacher, will they shut down the school?
No. They are simply saying like that. It is not that much easy to close the school immediately.
I'll see him in TV News, ma'am.
Yes, here in our town so many private schools are there. On that time no one is there to study in government school. They are going to close that school only. In that list, our school is not there.
I got scared because everybody were talking about it.
Are you clear now?
Hey, check it.
Looks like our teacher's son.
He's not looking like him. He's my son only. My son Ashwin. He passed away 3 years ago.
Then why you lying to us, teacher? Tell.
I didn't believe that he's not here. He is always with me as a soul.
Teacher, how did he pass away?
Have little more, my dear. Then I won't give snacks to you.
Oh no, what mummy you are?
Lakshmi, did you see the pen I left in my room?
Pen?
Yeah, where is it?
I didn't take your pen. I think your sweetheart will.
Oh.
Dear, why are you laughing? You better check his bag.
Huh? In the bag? Lakshmi, what is this? Answer me! Ashwin, tell me, how did you get this?
That was in Daddy's room behind the table, that's why.
Behind? Did you see? Your son is a thief. I have seen this plenty of times. I want to end this right now. Hey, come with me. Come with
Dear,
me.
no, please don't do.
Come with me right now.
Dear,
Look what I'm
please.
going to do to you.
Please listen to me. Dear, dear, please listen to me, dear, please.
You repeat it. Repeat it.
Dear,
You repeat it.
please listen to me.
How dare you?
Don't beat him. Ashwin, please, dear, listen to me.
Daddy. Mom.
On that day morning, he went to school. Then, he didn't came back. He's very stubborn guy. We gave all love and affection. He grown with all happiness. But he didn't understand our real love and affection. We searched him for 4 days. One day, we saw a message on paper in Coimbatore near one drainage that my son Ashwin, I didn't have that much guts to see him in that situation. Definitely one day my son will call me mom and I will ask sorry for this and to forgive me, and he will come and hug me tightly. Definitely one day this will happen.
We don't know all this, teacher.
Balu, what happened? What happened to you, my child?
No, Dad. Nothing. It's just dream.
Oh, you always think something in your mind. That's why this type of bad dreams coming. Take this. Drink water. Now go to sleep. Don't think about anything. I am here.
Manohar, this time you have to get your permission from MP to construct the bridge.
Hey, he can't do that, man. He want to do another work for us.
Why are you fighting unnecessarily? We will definitely have a solution. Let's go inside. Come.
Please inform her that.
Yeah, I'll.
Have you taken all the files that I asked you to?
I have all the copies, madam. And there's Mulakada, Ramanan and Atipati ward member. They're all causing very much trouble, madam.
What happened to them suddenly?
Madam, our funds details leak outed, madam.
That's the reason, is it? When the fund is allotted this time, I know how to distribute it. Nobody needs to meet me regarding that. Is that clear?
Okay,
Vehicle is ready?
Ready, madam.
See, madam is coming.
Oh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I've spoken about all your issues to him. Everything will be all right.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Daddy, what you were thinking?
I am thinking that there is no one for you rather than me. You have to study well, my child. You have to study well and become a big man. If I am not there also, everyone should be proud of you. The son of Vasu became a popular man. He fulfilled Vasu's dreams.
Don't speak like this, Dad. I know what you like, Dad. I done that, Dad. Yesterday night my dad was told me one.
What is the matter, Balu?
I want him steady and be a great person. He thinks of me and dreams a lot. I want to study well, Saira.
Balu, what happened? Balu, what happened, Balu? Balu, please answer. Balu.
Hey, Balu, what happened to you?
Oh no.
Hey, Balu.
Oh.
Listen to
Balu,
me.
wake up.
Balu.
Balu. Balu, what's happening?
Balu. What happened to him?
I don't know. Suddenly he fell down.
Why you are scaring? Did you see any snake here?
There is no any snake here.
Hey, Balu. What happened to you?
Some happened suddenly. Now I'll be fine, sir.
All right.
Are you all right?
Oh, come on, come on. Slowly, slowly.
Get up, get up.
Get up, get up. Ah.
Balu,
Hey.
nearly you have a state competition. You have to get ready to practice, or else someone is get a trophy.
You don't worry, sir. I will only definitely win.
That is not so easy, you know.
Yeah.
You should practice hardly.
He's right.
right.
Come,
Come on, come on.
slowly
Walk.
you have to walk.
Walk.
Come,
Slowly.
go that side. Be careful.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Go fast, fast. Go, go, go. Balu. Balu. Balu, come on. Come on. Hey, what happened to you? Balu. Oh, I'll give you some water.
Take it, sir.
Oh, Balu. Balu, Balu, listen to me. Huh? God.
Shall I bring tea?
No.
What happened, dear? Seems like you're mood off today.
I'm totally disturbed. I'm not able to handle my stuffs right now. I feel so worthless, Lakshmi. Not able to concentrate. How can I go to the Chinese trip that I planned next week? Dr. James have prepared the schedule too. Lakshmi, you think seriously? When we have a hospital of our own, why do you need this teacher's job? Resign the job and look after the hospital's management. That too very soon.
You know what are you talking about? You want me to resign my job? You may think that I'm doing only job. But You know how much I love this job? Only because of school children.
Hey, Lechu. I'm sorry. Relax. Don't do whatever you don't want to do. Wipe your eyes. While thinking, I couldn't find any other way. Okay, don't worry. I'll cancel this trip.
So definitely you have an idea. For your professional ethics, you will act smart like this.
What do you mean? Do you want me to lick the leg of Dr. Shekhar? Since he's my father-in-law, I'm not going to do that. I can't.
You no need to compromise me. You have to agree with this. I will call him. Definitely he will come. Yesterday he called me. Professional ego attitude. He's not having anything now. After mother's death, he was really alone. He talked me very nicely for a long time. First time he was talking like this to me for a long time.
I don't want to be a barrier between father and daughter. If you're sure he'll come, call him. The great Dr. Mr. Shekharan Nambiar.
What happened, Balu? Hey, it's very hot. Hey, you are suffering from fever. Come, we will go to doctor.
Don't worry, Dad. You go. I have to study. I have model exam tomorrow.
My dear, listen to me. Damn, nowadays he's not listening to me.
Balu, what happened to you? What happened, Balu? Balu, 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 what happened to you? Why are you doing like this? Balu, Balu, look at me, Balu. Balu,
Balu? Balu?
What?
Balu?
What happened, teacher?
Balu?
What happened?
What
Don't
happened?
know what happened, teacher.
Balu? Balu? Balu, tell me, Balu, what happened? Balu, tell me, what happened?
I don't know, teacher.
Saira, tell me what happened?
I don't know, teacher.
Balu? 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 What happened? Balu? 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 What happened, Balu? What happened to you? Tell me.
Oh, come on. I want to see you. God, come and answer to me. Who is he? Who is inside of him? Bhatswaga. Oh, come out, come out. Oh, come out, I say. Oh, want to answer to me? See this. Come on, see this. I asked you to see this. Yes. Hey. Answer to me.
You are all go and search there.
Hello, sir.
Who are you?
I am the headmaster of this school.
I see.
Good morning, sir.
I have to inspect your school. Come. Mr. Tangaraj, your parliament member, Mrs. Lakshmi Nair, her self-decision. We have decided to bring a school to a better condition with you. Our government has been decided.
Thank God.
Oh, God.
It's not just because of government only. It's a reason for one of your student. I think so. His name is Balu. Congratulations.
Give me that.
Take it, sir.
Arrange a trip for him.
Okay, sir.
What happened, Jaya?
Actually, he is Lakshmi's student. We have done almost every test. Everything is negative. He is still burning with fever.
Give me that file.
Hey, relax.
They have to do this test again.
Okay. Sister, do you know where Balu is?
Balu? Balu?
Daddy.
What is happening?
Daddy. Daddy. Some thief came to our house. He theft my trophy, Dad.
Balu, what happened to you, my dear? Your trophy is in our house only.
No. No. You're lying, Dad. I want to see my trophy now. I want to see my trophy now.
For some time you get relaxed. I will go to home and get your trophy, okay?
Uncle?
Please come inside.
Balu, our school is going to become digital school, man. All because of you.
Dad, who is all of them?
You all accompany him. I will go to home and get him his trophy. Okay?
Balu, forget whatever happened, man. We want to be friends with you. Balu, please forgive us. Balu, this man is a dog bite, right? Hey, hold this, man. Do
Come.
it yourself.
Let's do it, man. Like that. Do it.
Hey, dig in there. What happened? Hey, the dog has bitten him, man.
Yes, it is a strong bite.
My God.
What happened?
My suspicion is right. He is in a critical stage. Rabid virus has infected his central nervous system. The dog should have bitten him at least 2 months ago. Now it is beyond medication.
If Lakshmi comes to know, I don't know how she's going to react.
Don't worry. I will talk to her and make her understand. This is not her son, no? Just a student.
Dear? Dear? Are you saying all is right?
Lakshmi, that is...
Is that true what you said?
Yes.
No! No! Nothing will happen. He will be fine.
His condition is very serious. He has to be admitted in a general hospital immediately.
What? Are you going to put in cell? No. I won't agree.
Hey, relax, Lakshmi.
I won't agree with this.
Lakshmi. Lakshmi.
I won't agree.
Lakshmi. 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 You're fine. You're fine.
Sir, my son is admitted here. I want to meet him.
Where you people are going?
My daughter's co-student is here. He likes very much biryani. I just give it and leave here.
Do you have any common sense? No must want to be here. Just please go away.
Balu. Balu, look here. See what I've got for you. Get up. Please come, Balu.
Please take your daughter and go from here because he behaves like a dog. Come.
Daddy, why did they lock him up in that room? Please ask them to open, Daddy. Uncle, please open it once, Uncle, please.
Please don't stay here. Get away. Please go away.
Daddy.
Go.
Daddy.
Go fast, I say.
Daddy, I want to see Balu, Daddy. Why did they lock him up in that room?
My dear, right now you don't want to meet him. Later we can meet him.
Uncle?
Dear, what happened?
Uncle, everybody locked up Balu in that room.
Why they locked him? Where?
Over there.
Balu!
Leave me, my son is there.
No, I said not please. Not now. Hey, leave me. Just listen to me. Balu, see your dad. Hey, leave me. No, I want to see my son. Sir, please, sir, no, sir. I want to see my son, sir. Please, sir. Please don't do this to us. Balu, please, allow me to see my son, sir. Please, sir. He is my only one child, sir. Please, sir.
It's just because of dog bitten your son. Don't get confused. Everything will be alright. We have to take care of him. Leave him.
My son is harmless, sir. Please open the door for a second. I can afford you only this. Please allow me to go in. No. Please, sir. No. Doctors have said to you, no. You heard it. Please don't tell like that, sir. I will beg you, sir. Please, sir. No. Only one time, sir. I want to see my son, sir. Balu. I bought your trophy, Balu. Balu, look at me. Look at this dad, Balu. Balu, see this trophy. Please open your eyes. I got your trophy, Balu. Balu, my son. Come my friend. Hey, come on, man. Balu, just get away from here. Balu. What's happening to him? Balu. Sir, only 1 second, sir. Allow me to see my child, sir. Come, I say. Just come.
Hello. Sorry, got a little bit delayed.
Welcome, madam. Please.
Thank you.
Give it to me. We've been only waiting for this. Let's start,
Oh,
madam.
yes. So,
Okay.
shall I cut it? So, let them go and sit one by one. Go. Everyone's looking so happy. Balu is the reason for their happiness. Okay, the person behind all this happiness, where is that Balu? He's not to be seen. Huh? What happened to him, sir?
at his situation, sir. Please ask them to open this door, sir.
Daddy, please take me with you, Daddy. Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy. I'm scaring Chef. Please, Daddy. I'm fine, Daddy. Please take with you, Daddy. I'm scaring here, Daddy. Daddy, please, Daddy. I'm okay, Daddy. Please, Daddy. I'm just scaring here. Daddy.
Balu, what's happening? Balu, where are you? Balu, look at me. Yes, sir. See his face, sir. What is this condition, sir? Look at my son, sir.
Madam, please eat something.
I don't want anything. You leave. I said go. Dear, Balu, I want to see him only once, dear. Father is not understanding me. Please, dear, listen to me. I want to see him only once. It's possible if you wish, please. Please.
No need, Lakshmi. You don't want to see him in this condition.
No! Definitely you can save him. Sometimes, whenever I see Balu, I feel like my son. No, I will definitely save him from this. You are the only reason which I lost Ashwin. Now I don't want to lose Balu. If I lose him, I will die.
Lakshmi! Hello. Please, James. I'll call you back later.
Tell me what's your problem.
This problem has no solution.
What? Every problem has been solution. You say what's your problem, man?
Lakshmi was mentally attached to a kid who has rabies right now.
What do you mean? My God. You will not believe me what I'm told. Not only you, everybody. However, it's truth. We could save him.
James, are you mad? Medical ethics says he's dead. Not us. Even God cannot save him.
Yeah, man, I accept that. But before you trust this matter, miracle is God. You go check out that website. Please, don't cut my call. I'm not saying you should trust this. But yeah, 85%. Otherwise...
Xi'an is a place on the Chinese border, home to Acharya Chianza, the master healer. Acharya treats poison afflictions like snake bites and rabies using Chinese healing techniques and modern medical methods. Acharya uses a special stone obtained from the remote mountains of China. This stone is treated with medicated oil and herbs. During the time of treatment, Acharya raises the body temperature of the patient way above normal levels and the stone absorbs the poison from the human body. After this treatment, 85% of the patients become normal. And Acharya Chianza came to be known as the miracle of God.
Miracle of the God. Yes.
Stay here and look him.
Balu.
Bobby? Bobby? Hey? Bobby? Hey? Ask to open me, huh? I have no problem with you guys.
I have no enmity against you, Ram.
Please ask me to open, yeah. No one hear me, yeah. Hey? Why they all closed here, yeah?
You have no problem, man. No problem.
Hey, troll true, yeah. Hey, said true, yeah.
It's enough. Come on, guys. Come. Let's go.
Hey,
Let's move from here. Come
take
on.
me with you guys.
Come,
Don't
come.
let me here, guys, please. Hey, hey. Please, guys, take me with you guys. I'm scared here,
Come, I
guys.
say. Just come.
Guys, guys, guys.
Uncle.